The General Assembly of the United Nations decided to proclaim on 6 April as International Day of Sport for Development and Peace. This date commemorates the inauguration, in 1896, of the first Olympic Games of the modern era, in Athens, Greece. Celebration. On August 23, 2013, the General Assembly of the United Nations in Resolution 67-296 decides to proclaim on 6 April International Day of the Sport for the Development and the Peace. The UN, with this commemoration, invites states, the United Nations system, and in particular the United Nations Office on Sport for Development and Peace, relevant international organizations, and international, regional, and national sports organizations, civil society, including non-governmental organizations and the private sector, and all other relevant stakeholders to cooperate, observe and raise awareness of the International Day of Sport for Development and Peace. References: